Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to talk about a couple of books that I've been reading and recommend some books to people who are looking more into spiritualism and consciousness. These are books that I've been reading for the past like 3 months. I haven't finished reading all of them, and some of them are long, they're varying in length. So before I start, just a quick reminder to like this video. If you like, leave comments, leave recommendations for books that I should read or talk about. And this is just all in my opinion. So these are just books that I'm enjoying right now, and I would recommend to anybody who would ask me. So let's get started. Okay, so the first book I have is Infinite Mind, Science of the Human Vibration of Consciousness. And so this book is for more people who are right-brained. It has a lot of case studies, experiments, like tests that have to do with the transference of energy for healing, the effect of like frequency vibration, the aura, and it's not really, it's hard for me to get through it just because I'm more of an intuitive type of person. This book is more for people who need solid evidence that there is a science to spiritualism, that there's more than just this idea of like, oh, I'm gonna say these words or hear these noises and it heals me. It's like, this is actually breaks down, it's just explaining what it is. And so this is more for people who are on the technical side of things, on the more realistic side of things. This is the next book, and this book is really cool. This is Jambalaya, the Natural Woman's book. And it's a book of charms and rituals. So you can do the practice rituals mentioned in the books, and it gives you like all the herbs, what to do. It's more of an instructional, like how to, it's more of an instructional how to do certain rituals and how to set up an altar, how to cleanse your home, how to cleanse your spirit. And for me, this is one of my favorites. I have not read it fully. I just like to look through different excerpts. I've read a lot of it, but it's so much. This is one of my go-tos. Another go-to of mine is Sacred Woman. This one is just, first of all, the covers are just like gorgeous for a lot of these books. But this one, Spiritual Woman, this is about cleansing your womb. Your womb being sacred, part of your temple of the body. And really it tells you, it's instructional as well. It tells you different foods to eat, like methods of practice. It's like a different form of spiritualism. It's really like self-care on 100. And so I've just started using this instructionally and cleanse my body and eat a certain way. So I'm just starting this lifestyle now because I have this guidance. But I mean, it's kind of intuitive that the better you put into your body, the better you will feel. The more you do for yourself and to care for yourself and your body and stay healthy, the more you're caring for yourself and your spirit, it's giving it a better home to rest in. So these are all books that I have like read through certain passages. I've skimmed through certain passages. I'm just really starting to get into it. So as I read, I feel like maybe I could just leave updates about what I've read about today. And I don't know, maybe some of the instructional things that I'm trying to do, like I'm still trying to figure out what content I want on this channel. So maybe when I am making, like putting together charms and herbs and making things, I can make my videos kind of instructional as well about it. Just like, let me know if that makes sense or if that's something that would be interesting. Different ideas of like fasting, I have been just cleansing my house, my home, my spirit, and trying to do things that I want to do more often, and trying to put myself on track for the life I want to live. So these books have been helping me. And as I go along and I read more books, I could do different book recommendations, because I really want a book club and people to talk to about my opinions on books. And yeah, it's hard to get people together to read a book. Well, that's all for today. Those are just a couple of recommendations for books that I've been reading, and books that could help anybody on a spiritual journey who is just getting started and just trying to look for more information. They're very practical. They're very practical, and they're good reads. If you want more books that I just read in general, like to see my book collection, because a lot of the books I'm reading right now are just plays and spiritual books, but I have manga and different types of books. So if you want to hear about those or see those, you're welcome to leave a comment and let me know you want to see my collection. Yeah, just let me know. So that's all for today. I'm losing light and I need to get a new computer charging cord so I can edit this. To anybody who has been watching this and likes my videos, please share the love, spread the love, and thank you so much. That's all. Bye.